Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update QID in CBQ mobile app. First, make sure you are logged into the Commercial Bank of Qatar mobile app on your phone. On your profile on the home screen, tap on Profile Setting or your name photo icon is the top. This is where your personal details are stored. Inside the profile or setting, tap Personal Detail or My Information. Here you will see your registered information including your QID status. Now tap on QID, ID details or update document. If your QID expired or need update, you will see an option to update. Take a clear QID front and back photo and upload it. Make sure the photo are clear and all the details are visible. Check all the information is correct, then tap submit or confirm. Your request will be now sent to the QID for verification. You will review your QID update. This may take few hours or few working days. Once approved, you will see a confirmation message in your app, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.